In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Cloud Storage, a flexible, scalable solution by Google for storing and accessing your files through the web console. This tutorial will guide you through setting up your storage bucket and managing your files effectively. First, let's dive right into setting up and creating your first storage bucket using the Google Cloud Console. To get started, you'll need to sign in to Google Cloud Console. If you're new to this, don't worry. Simply use your Google account to log in, and you can either choose an existing project or create a new one specifically for your storage needs. Once you're in, head to the side menu and navigate to the Storage section. From there, select Browser, and you'll see an option to Create Bucket. Now, let's go through the bucket creation process. Start by choosing a globally unique name for your bucket. This name is how your storage is identified across Google Cloud, so make sure it's distinctive and professional. Next, decide on the location of your data. You can select either a regional or a multi-regional location, depending on where most of your users are located and how you want to balance accessibility with cost efficiency. Then, choose the appropriate storage class. You'll have options like Standard, Nearline, Cold Line, and Archive. Each of these comes with different cost structures and is tailored for varying degrees of frequency in data access. For instance, Standard is ideal for data you expect to access frequently, whereas Cold Line and Archive are more suited for long-term storage of data that's accessed less frequently. After you've picked your storage class, configure your access control. You have the choice between uniform and fine-grained access. Uniform allows you to control access to all objects in the bucket at once, which simplifies management, while fine-grained can offer more detailed control at an object level. For those interested in added security and data management, you can enable optional data protection features. This includes options like versioning, which keeps a record of changes made to your files, and retention policies, which help you control how long data stays before it needs to be deleted or archived. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, review everything one last time and click Create to finalize your bucket setup. With your bucket ready, let's move on to uploading and managing your data. Inside your bucket, you can upload files by simply clicking Upload Files or Upload Folder. It's as easy as selecting the files you want to add. When it comes to downloading an object, locate the file within your bucket, select it, and click on Download. Organizing your data is also straightforward, with the ability to create folders within the bucket for better structure. Managing permissions is another critical task, and you can do this under the Permissions tab. Here you can share access via IAM roles or ACLs. If you need to share specific resources securely, you can generate signed URLs, which grant users temporary access to your files. By following these steps, you'll efficiently use Google Cloud Storage for your project's needs, ensuring your data is both accessible and securely managed.